Equivalent conductivity of BaCl2, H2SO4 and HCl are X1, X2 and X3 at infinite dilution. If conductivity of saturated BaSO4 solution is X s per centimeter, then Ksp of BaSO4 is. So first of all, let's write equation for equivalent conductivity. So at infinite dilution, lambda equivalent for BaCl2 will be lambda infinity Ba2 plus equivalent plus lambda equivalent at infinity for Cl minus, and this value is x1, and then similarly I can write it for H2SO4, which will be lambda equivalent at infinite dilution for H plus lambda equivalent at infinite dilution for sulfate, and this value is equal to x2, and then I can write this value for HCl as well, which will be lambda equivalent H plus lambda equivalent at infinite dilution for Cl minus, and this value is x3. Now we have to calculate lambda equivalent at infinity for BaSO4. So if I add 1 and 2 and subtract 3 from it, that means this will become negative, and this value will cancel this value, and this value will cancel this value. So I am left with lambda infinity Ba2 plus equivalent plus lambda equivalent at infinity sulfate, which means this is the value of lambda infinity equivalent for BaSO4. Because this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, that means that lambda infinity equivalent for BaSO4 is equal to x1 plus x2 minus x3. Let's call this equation 1. Now we have to find the Ksp. So for that we have to find solubility first, and solubility is related to conductivity by a formula 1000 into K divided by S. Now we have calculated lambda equivalent, and lambda m, that is molar conductivity in the relation of lambda equivalent, is that lambda equivalent into n factor gives lambda m. So n factor in this case will be 2 for BaSO4, because BaSO4 is a divalent cation, and for a salt n factor is number of electrons donated or taken. So n factor in this case is 2. So I can say this lambda m can be replaced by 2 into lambda equivalent. So 2 into lambda equivalent is x1 plus x2 minus x3 is equal to 1000 into K divided by S. So S is 1000 into the value of K is X given in the question. So this is 1000x divided by x1 plus x2 minus x3. This is the value of solubility. Now for the BaSO4 is an AB type salt, and for an AB type salt the value of Ksp is S square. So the value of Ksp will be 1000 square x square divided by x1 plus x2 minus x3 whole square multiplied by 4. So if you solve this, the value of KSP will turn out to be 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 5 x square divided by x1 plus x2 minus x3 whole square. So this is the value of KSP for BaSO4, and this value is given in option 2, so option 2 is the correct answer.